If you are holding cryptocurrencies, check this video out. The crypto market is extremely bullish, and there is an indicator right now that I need to share with you that shows every time the crypto market bounces significantly. I personally think the crypto market is actually going to be making a very big bullish move. And in this video, I have some very important information and articles to share with you that's gonna blow your mind. Now, if you love crypto content, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support. It really means so much to me. And also let me know in the comments below, do you agree that the market is going to be heading up here very soon and in a big way? Also, if you want to sign up for my free all-inclusive crypto email course, go ahead and sign up with this link here to my website, MYLESGinvestments.com, where you will also get access to sign up for my trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, where you can be making money like crazy. Speak to me on the phone, and you also have access to my all-inclusive entire crypto trading and investing course with all of my strategies and my secrets that you cannot miss. The link for that is going to be in my top pinned comment or my video description. But let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. So what we are seeing is the market is and has been very green today. Of course, if we go to CoinMarketCap, we see a little bit of red, a little bit of green, but this morning we saw some crazy explosive price action. Bitcoin this morning broke $42,000. It was amazing to see that. Cryptos pumped this morning hard. Then we saw a little bit of a dip. Nothing to worry about, a healthy dip, completely healthy and normal. But here is something that I need to show you. So on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, which of course is the whole crypto market chart, if you want to look and understand where Ethereum is going or Dogecoin is going, take a look at the Bitcoin chart. That's why we look at the Bitcoin chart. So what we can see here is this indicator is called the stochastic RSI, and every time the price comes down in here, the stochastic RSI shows a lot of information behind the scenes. And every time the stochastic RSI comes down into these levels on the daily time frame, for the last 4 times there was significant pumps for Bitcoin. Look at this, significant pump here, significant pump here, and the pump that crossed right here on the bottom is just appearing on the daily time frame, which shows a very accurate move for at least the next several days. So Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are most likely going to be heading for that move that I talked about yesterday in my video, which you should definitely watch. I have some incredible information that you cannot miss. Now, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, even though we saw a little bit of a dip today, I'm going to go ahead and just take off all these indicators. Even though we saw a little bit of a dip, we are still bullish. We are still very healthy, and the dip was only a 2% move, nothing crazy. And look at this, every time before a big pump there are dips, guys. Even when it's bullish, look at dip, bullish, dip, and we are flipping bullish yet again. So the market is looking very strong, it is looking healthy, and it is setting up to make some very big moves. Now Bitcoin and cryptos are headed for that next big move here, which is going to be for Bitcoin about $43,000. Last night we called out in my video that this is going to be the level where we are most likely going to go to, about $42,000. That happened. Now we are most likely going to go head up and test the 43,000, and then eventually we're going to be testing close to that $48,000 level. That is my price target for us, at least in the next 10 days or so, maybe more, maybe less. I don't know. It's not financial advice, just my own opinion. I think that within the next 10 days, we're probably going to come up and test this $48,000 to $50,000 level for Bitcoin. It could happen a lot faster, it could happen a lot sooner, or it could not happen at all. But based on how we are just breaking resistance levels left and right, the market is, in my opinion, at least in the immediate short term, bullish. And even if we zoom out, just like we were taking a look at the daily time frame in the stochastic RSI, we are in an uptrend. We are bullish, higher highs and higher lows. Now we are coming up to test the resistance levels to prove whether we can break outside of this bearish pattern and end up continuing to the upside. So that's what's happening. But here's some more information. Continue to watch because it's very important. So Bitcoin price hits a 10-day high. So Bitcoin and cryptos hit a 10-day high today, where $42,000 for Bitcoin is interesting. And what we did see is when Bitcoin hit $42,000 today, there's a bit of volatility, but that happened because people are just honestly taking profits. And look at this, Bitcoin and ETH will break all-time highs in 2022, says the Celsius CEO. Do you all agree with this man in the comments below? Let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you think cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Dogecoin, some of your favorite cryptocurrencies are going to be hitting all-time highs this year. I personally agree with this, but getting back into the charts, it's very important. The market is bullish. We're breaking higher highs and higher lows. So this is personally, in my opinion, not a time to be panicking, to be selling when we see a little bit of red red or to be taking profits, because the market is in a recovery phase and we are headed up. We are still in an uptrend. We are still bullish. And until we start breaking resistance levels, until we start breaking major support levels and continue downtrends, that's when we still want to be holding, because with this crazy upside potential, as we are breaking these resistance levels, we are recovering very fast. There is sure signs that we are most likely going to be heading up and continuing to head up despite the little dips that we have. But yes, you can trade these. That's what we do in the Patreon. We trade these tops. We sell at the tops. We buy these little dips where we are able to make significant profits in short periods of times. And that's what's happening in the market. And yes, if you would have caught the top today, if you would have sold at the top, you would have been able to make a 3% discount by buying cryptos from the top, almost a 6% play. If you would have actually caught this, sold at the top, bought at a discount, having all that more money to buy at the discount here, that's kind of like what I personally do as a crypto trader. And of course, it's not easy to call out all the tops. So whenever something moves up really hard and really fast, it's always a very good key to take maybe some profits off the table. Maybe take all of your profits off the table and then just wait for a little bit of a dip and then get back in, especially when you know the market is very bullish, because you don't want to be taking profits and waiting for any crazy dips when the market is very bullish, because when the market is bullish, as it is right now, cryptos can move and pump very fast, faster than you can even expect it or even try to buy cryptos. Happens all the time. There can be literally in an instant, cryptos can move 5 or 10% in literally just minutes or even seconds. So we are in a bullish time period, and it's looking like we are headed for a very big green week and potentially a very green weekend. Now, if you got something out of this video, make sure you join the Patreon if you want to get access to these alerts. All of this information is going to be on my website, MYLESGinvestments.com. And if you want to day trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, open up an iTrust Capital account with the link in my video description below. Check out all the socials. My video description, I'll have a whole bunch of cool links, and even on my website, you can sign up for my course where it literally teaches you everything that I know, all of my secrets, where you can be making money every single day, almost every single day, like I do in crypto. Now, if you got something out of the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support the channel. Share this video with a friend or a family member, and I will see you all later. Have a great night.